going to take the script from the previous lesson and enhance it with some more UI actions to get a simple of fully automatic configuration of the remote desktop connection. So let's run this. Now click OK to close this dialog and click Save As button. OK. I'm going to click Save As. And let's see what happens. Sample RDP file. So if I click Save, I'm going to have this file. But let's close cancel and close this window and explain this script a little. So first 7 lines were explained before. So now take a closer look at the rest of the script. So here we click Display tab. Then we click then on the Display tab, we repeat clicking the Remote Desktop Size slider 4 times, moving it to the left and thus reducing the resolution. Then we click Local Resources tab, and on the Local Resources tab, click to uncheck the box next to Printers. And then we click More button. In the resulting Local Devices and Resources window, click the Drives element. Since it's not possible to select this particular checkbox with the UI click command, the W path points only to a label, not to the checkbox itself. Use space key to select it. Then click OK. Button to close this window. Click General tab. Display a message. Wait for the Save As window, which will appear after user clicked Save As button. This is only for the purpose of showing how the wait for UI command works. You can easily automate clicking the button. And when the Save As window shows up, enter sample RDP file in the file name input box.